Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you what to do if TikTok tells you that phone number is already used. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app and to create a new account, tap on Use Phone or Email option. Here, you can sign up whether by phone or email. So here, for example, I'll choose phone. So type in your phone. So here, if you type down your phone number, then send code, and TikTok tells you the phone number is already used. Here, instead, you can sign up using email. So there's no need to use a phone number. You can also sign up using your email. So tap on email, then type down your email address. And once you're done, tap on next. And this is it. This is what you can do when TikTok tells you that phone number is already used. Thanks for watching. See ya.